Everybody. Oh, I think I started my video a little early, but I think it's okay. What's going on, everyone? It's Fiktxun Crypto back at it again with another video. Let's see if we can maximize this ping. Okay, wrong thing to do right there. No, we do not want to do that. Let's see. So we are looking at XRP chart right now. I'm trying to get everything together. We're going to be migrating computers because let me know if I'm lagging in, on the screen, on the playback. But yeah, let me know if I'm lagging. I wish we would have continued our 100-day challenge, our 30-day challenge, or if it was 100-day, I have to go back and see. I am an entrepreneur in real life, so sometimes I just get extremely busy. And over the last couple of months were a real trial and tribulation to who I am and what I stand in and what I believe. I think right now in America, we are all facing this um, conflict right now of who you are and what do you stand for. Are you in the fight for good or evil? And if you are in the fight, um, what side are you on? So I've been establishing a lot of boundaries. I've been establishing a lot of um, understanding. I've been establishing a lot of wisdom. And I've been establishing myself as a person, growing through these new transitions and phases of what we call life. And it's been a beautiful thing. So the best thing we can do is stay consistent. I am glad that I keep coming back to XRP, keep coming back to crypto, even though I'm not consistent every single day. I'm watching, I'm learning, I'm building, I'm doing. So we also have a company that we are building called Accountable right now. And Accountable is a real estate tokenization platform. Basically, we are real estate investors in real life. I mean, I only own one piece of property right now, but I've purchase and put together deals on property, and I have other people that are behind me as well with property that they own, and it is really, really, really cool to just be in real estate. We create our own mortgages, which allows us to do a whole bunch of fancy, fun things when it comes to tokenization of assets, tokenization of collateral, tokenization of debt notes, tokenization of securities, and that is a fun world when you dive down that rabbit hole. We are creating our own bank. So let's get into this video. We want to kind of cover the chart because we haven't been able to cover that chart in so long. But as you see, the price has went up. Um, I believe I've told people $1.95, 89 cents is going to be where we see XRP kind of stay. And history shows at a dollar, XRP just rips, it explodes. So please check the history when you are looking at these charts so you can know how to accurately predict around the time zone what may occur. And we got down to about 98 cent. We got down to about 99 cent, 97 cent. And I was really bearish with 89 cent coming in. I seen the possibility of it happening, but luckily we didn't. And I mean, XRP just ripped, man. We're talking about, I mean, I was so upset at myself, like, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you not in a trade right now? We're talking about, let's let's see what this is. 50 freaking plus percent. Mm, mm, mm. I'm too mad we missed that, you all. So we got to get on it. We got to get on it. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. And we should not beat ourselves up about life. We have things we got to do. So sometimes we can't always pay attention to it. And this is a part of being a trader because it shouldn't really affect you if you missed a huge move. I know we are so greedy. We think that we're going to always win or always be able to be there at the right time. And that puts a lot of stress on yourself, especially just trying to figure things out. So we're going to move past how huge of a gain this was to look for our next opportunity in the market. And currently, what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a sell. I believe that we will come back and capture some of this liquidity, maybe down to $1.26, anywhere from 128 ish, really 120, 128 to 126. I see another level right at 131, but that 126 is very, very low. Oh, I have a little net in front of me. And honestly, as you see from my last charts, I don't mark charts up like that. I see my market and I believe that's where it goes. And based off of my criteria, that's where I put my money in. And if the market flips or go on the other side, that's what we have margin. That's what we have our risk scenarios, exiting out of a trade. That's what we have all the stop guards in place to make sure we don't blow our entire account. But I believe that this token XRP is going to sell against the American dollar or USD. And I believe we're going to be getting down to 126. So we are creating a website once again for the XRP Ledger community. I mean, it's kind of useless. It really is kind of useless because so many people have these resources and things of that nature. And we don't even have all the wallets connected just yet. I kind of just wanted to build something to see myself a little bit. So yeah, this is Fiktxun Crypto. Um, I think we just kind of gave you all the sauce of what we want to do and what we want to see the market. I hope that you all can keep track of us with Accountable. That is going to be launching very, very, very soon. And I'm super tired, you all. Don't know why. I was able to vibe and jam, you know what I'm saying, all night long until I wanted to do something productive and make this video. And I believe it's the devil trying to attack me and stop me from moving forward with the ability that God has given me. So we rebuke that. We definitely rebuke that. And I thank you for everyone who is watching me and following me and commenting. And I thank God for protecting those people as well. I pray for their protection. I pray for mine. So it is Jabril Muhammad with Fiktxun Crypto, you all. Peace.